Hello, dear wonderful friends. Welcome back here at La Arnie's Kitchen and Food Creations. Tonight, I would love to share with you our simple supper. So please come join with me here in my little kusina, in my little kitchen, while I'm going to show you how to cook very simple dish. Okay, there you go. So here, there are two cooking pots I'm using. So this is for a bigger portion for sauteing some of my veggies. And then this frying pan, I am going to fry my galunggong fish. So using this extra virgin olive oil as my frying ingredient. And then this is my galunggong fish. So I took out the head and I sliced the fish into tiny bits and wash it thoroughly into cold water, took out its guts and also the intestines, and then drizzle some salt. Of course, I washed my hands. Okay, there you go. And so I preheated my frying pan. So using my tongs as my frying equipment, so once our oil is heated, so we'll try to fry our galunggong fish. So this fish, it has 454 grams or 1 pound. Okay. For a savoring enhancer, I'm going to savor it with chicken powder broth and some black pepper and also some salt. Okay, there you go. And here in my other cooking pot, I am going to add for my saute ingredient, it will be approximately 5 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Now, olive oil can be a little bit pricey to some places or to some of you. That's quite optional. Use whatever cooking oil you have available in your pantry. Okay, let's start frying these little fishies. Okay, friends, while we are waiting for our fish to become golden brown and crispy, we're going to turn on our flame. So what are the very basic ingredients that we have? Now, these ingredients, ricados that we have, can be very accessible in any palenque or supermarket of your choice or any grocery store. So I sliced 1 large tomatoes, Roma tomatoes, and lots of, I use 8 cloves of garlic, and this is leek. So leek belongs to the family of the sibuyas or the green onions. So this part. Actually, I have green onions, but I rather use this leek. Okay. Towards the end, I use this organic baby spinach. So this is 454 grams or 1 pound in total. Actually, when you see this kind of container, this is pre-washed or triple washed already, but I still wash that one. Okay, there you go. Very easy ingredients, and this is very delicious. And of course, I am going to add this red kidney beans. So this is pre-cooked already. So this is 540 ml. Okay, so we will just remember, friends, that cooking and baking, they always make fun and easy here at my little kitchen. Thus, it gives you the ideas and what to prepare for your family's next meal. I simply love to share what's going on here from day-to-day experience in my little kitchen. So this will serve as my husband's food for supper tonight, and of course our supper actually. I believe that sharing my simple recipes, I do care for my family and for my friends. This is for fun, sharing, and learning. So that is our galunggong fish or round scad type of fish. The galunggong fish is very, very tasty, especially when it is newly fried or newly cooked. So the fish is ready. I'll have to turn off my flame. Voila. So let's proceed here in our other cooking pot or kalaha or kawali. So I'm going to saute first my leek. So we will saute this until this will become translucent or slightly golden brown. Approximately 2 minutes because this is a big portion of the leek. After which I'm going to add my chopped garlic. So this is garlic. Garlic has been added. It's so fragrant, friends. You can also add some red peppers, green peppers, or even luya or ginger. The taste is much better. Like the combination of all spices. Okay, afterwards, I'm going to add my kamatis or tomatoes. We have to smash it so that the aroma and all the spices will be wilted or well mixed. Okay, there you go, friends. After that, I am going to add some black pepper. Adding salt and pepper depends upon your taste buds. I will be adding some sea salt and also some powder broth, chicken powder broth. And the entire can of this store-bought red kidney beans. You can use chickpeas if you want. You can also use munggos or green mung beans. So I try to drain the water actually. So I'm going to add water here to clear up the residue in that the bottom part of the red beans. So friends, adding water, it depends upon how much you want. So if this is 540 ml, so the size of the water or the quantity of the water, I also added 500 ml. No, 540 I should say. So bring this to a boil. And by the way, I am going to add my fishy here. The crispy fish to be added into our green beans. I mean red beans, sorry, red kidney beans. Friends, whenever I cook, I am just eyeballing all the wonderful ingredients I do have. It's not really a precise measurement of all my my ricados or my vegetables. However, when I bake, I always try to measure so that I have a good outcome. That's one thing that differs from cooking and baking. Okay, there you go. But actually, I decided I will add some broccoli. I'm gonna find out if I still have some broccoli left. Okay, friends, I have lots of broccoli. So I'm going to wash this one. So make sure we have to wash all our veggies. Okay, wonderful friends. So once you let it boil for a few seconds or few minutes, I should say, there you go. So I have here my broccoli florets. So I want my broccoli to be a little bit crunchy, not too mushy. Okay. You can also try to add some of your favorite vegetables, like zucchini or cauliflower or even green beans. Okay, there you go, friends. This is quite done. Maybe only let's say 40 seconds. This is good to go. I love the crunchiness of the broccoli. Broccoli is one of my many favorite veggies. Okay, time to add our spinach. If you don't have spinach, you can use cabbage, malunggay, kamote tops, of your choice, kangkong. So when we add, we have to when we mix, we are going to mix it gently, and it doesn't really take that long in this process. Okay, there you go. I love vegetables. Okay. Adding chicken powder can be very optional. If you don't have available chicken broth powder, no need to worry. All you need is just simply salt and pepper. It's a fantastic savoring enhancer already. Okay, there you go, friends. So this is done. So I'd like to thank you very much, wonderful friends, for watching La Arnie's Kitchen and Food Creations. Stay tuned for more cookings and bakings here at my little kitchen. It's time that I'm going to turn off my flame. Voila. And have a wonderful evening, everyone. And God bless. Ingat po kayo. This is your home cook buddy, La Arnie, saying you. Daghan kayong salamat. Dali mga unata.